ओके ठीक है चलो, दिस इज द रे ऑफ लाइट ना बेटा, दिस इज द इंसिडेंट रे ऑफ लाइट बेटा, ये मेरी इंसिडेंट रे है और ये मेरी रिफ्लेक्टेड रे है। अगर ये मिरर नहीं होता तो क्या होता बुलाओ, अगर ये मिरर नहीं होता, दिस रे ऑफ लाइट might have been traveled in a straight line like this beta, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
The angle made by this incident ray of light with the reflected ray is known as deviation. This is known as of your dou. So dou is known as what? Angle of deviation. Dou is known as what? Angle of deviation. This is your I, and this one will be equal to your R. Okay. Now see here, I plus 180 degrees.
Yeah, 180 degrees.
नहीं, ये I plus R plus dou टोटल एंगल कितनी होगी? 180 डिग्रीज होगी ना?
Yes, sir.
Then now we know that angle of incidence is equals to angle of reflection. I is equals to R होता है basically, isn't it? So I is equals to R हो गया, तो ये I plus of your dou is equals to 180. So I plus I is nothing but 2I plus of your dou is equals to 180. So deviation कितना बना? So dou is equals to 1 plus 2 times of your I. Clear है?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear?
Yes,
So deviation is what right now?
Yes,
Angle made by incident ray of light. Angle made by the incident ray of light with the reflected or refracted is known as deviation. So deviation formula is equal to how much for me? 180 minus of your 2 theta. 180 minus of your 2 theta per deflection. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Chalo, let me give you one example for you, so you'll get a clarity how the problems have been framed on this one. Say for example, we have got two mirrors like this, which have been inclined at an angle theta. This is one mirror, and this is your another mirror. And like say for example, a ray of light is been incident on this one. Like say this ray of light is been incident on this one like this, and this one is its normal right now, and it is making an angle of your 60 degrees like this. Okay, then the moment you know that the ray of light is been incident with whatever angle it is incident, with the same angle it will be reflected back beta. So this is angle 60, this is also angle of 60 degrees. Again from this one, if I'm taking the reflected ray is been coming like this in this direction. Okay, not exactly perpendicular, but making some angle as such. What is this will be the normal for this one, mirror like this. Okay, and the angle between these two mirrors is given as of your 45 degrees. Okay, now my question is, what is net deviation? Net deviation is how much? So how many times it is undergoing the reflection beta? See, it is first touching this mirror, then reflected back, then from again it has been reflected. So we are getting the first deviation right now here beta. I need to extend this one right now. Angle made by the incident with the reflected. So this is the first deviation like this one. So this is your dou one. Again for this mirror, this is incident ray. So extend this one in this direction like now like this, isn't it? So angle made by the incident with the reflected ray like this one will be the deviation. That is nothing but of your dou. So how many deviations you are getting beta? Two deviations. So net deviation will be equal to how much beta? Dou net will be equal to, both of them are in the same direction or in opposite direction?
Sir, how to get the direction?
See, we know that angle of ये incident है ना बेटा, incident से reflected को angle बनाने के लिए dou one है, isn't it? ये इंसिडेंट है ना बेटा, इंसिडेंट रे को हम लोग एक्सटेंड कर रहे हैं, एक्सटेंडेड से रिफ्लेक्टेड को आप लोग एंगल बनाना है dou one. ये मिरर को, इस मिरर के लिए दिस येलो लाइन इज इंसिडेंट, so extend this incident ray of light and make an angle with that extended light with the reflected ray. So for this one, this is a reflected ray, so ये हो गया dou two. So one is clockwise, another is an anti-clockwise. So dou net will be equal to how much right now? Dou one plus dou
Dou
two.
one plus dou two.
Yeah, we'll try to see the sign convention, whether we are taking the sign convention positive or negative. So let us try to calculate the first dou one beta. So dou one is equals to how much for me? 180 minus 2 into I into your I. So that is equals to 180 minus 2 into angle of incidence is how much? 60 degrees. So that will be equal to 180 minus of your 2 into 60 is how much for me? 120. So 180 minus 120 is how much? 60 degrees. In which direction beta? Clockwise direction. The same way dou two. 180 minus 2i. So that is equals to your 180 minus 2 times of. Now you need to tell me what is an angle of incidence here, right? Now that is very important here. Little bit of a trigonometry is been applied. This is 45 beta. You know that this perpendicular to this angle will be equal to how much beta? 90 degrees. Na? So if this is 90 degrees, this is 60 means this angle will become how much for me? 30 degrees. If this is your 30 degrees, this is 45, this is your 60, then what will be this total angle beta? Can anyone tell me? This total angle will become how much? The total angle 180 hona na? So this one is 45 plus 30. So how much you need to add so that it will become for me one? What do you call that one? 180. Can anyone tell me?
Not 5.
Kitna?
105.
105. That will be equal to 180. That means if this total angle is 180, now can anyone tell me, you know that this normal is always making how much angle with respect to the mirror? 90. That means this angle will become how much beta? Can anyone tell me? If this is total 105, 105 minus 19. That means this angle will become how much for me? 15 degrees. So this angle is also for me 15 degrees. So for this one, dow 2 will become for me how much better? 2 into angle of incidence will become for me 15. That means this is 180 minus 2 into 15 is how much for me? 30. Isn't it? So 180 minus 30 is how much for me? 150. In which direction beta? Anti-clockwise
Anti-clockwise.
direction. Okay. So anti-clockwise direction, if I'm taking positive, see, clockwise direction, if I take positive, anti-clockwise direction, you take negative. So the net deviation will become how much better? Dow net will be equal to your dow 1 is how much for me? 60. This one is plus, this is minus of your 150. That means what? That means what? Minus of 90 degrees. Minus of 90 degrees. Is it clear?
Sir, once can you explain that 15 degrees?
Which one beta? 15 degrees. Huh? Now see here. So this total angle must be equal to 180 na beta. 180 matlab this is 45, this is your 30. So this angle will be, blue angle will be equal to how much for me? 105. And you know that with the mirror, there is always a normal which is making an angle of 90 degrees. Now see here, this yellow dotted line with the mirror, this angle will be equal to how much right now? 90 degrees. If this is 90, so this angle will become how much for me? 15.
15, yes, sir.
Isn't it? So if the angle of incidence is 15, angle of reflection is also 15 for me. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that will be equal to how much for me? Minus 90. Clockwise or anti-clockwise?
Anti-clockwise.
So it will be your anti-clockwise direction. I hope everyone got it better. Aya se
Yes,
bhi go.
sir.
Shall I tell you one more example? Everyone, is it clear for everyone? ठीक है चलो. और एक एग्जांपल ले लेते हैं. कराओ ना को जरूरत है. मान के चलो दिस आर टू मिरर्स. कितना टाइम बाकी है यार अभी? These are mirrors. This is your one mirror and this is your another mirror. Think and give me the answer. These are the two mirrors beta. Now see how I am drawing the diagram. A ray of light is being incident on the first. This is the one mirror which is parallel to this mirror. मान के चलो mirror M1 है and this is a mirror M2. The first ray of light is parallel to your M2 beta. First ray of light is parallel to your mirror, and this will be, you know that this will become for me normal, and this angle is say for example an alpha. You know that with whatever angle it is been incident, with the same angle it will be reflected back beta. So this was also your angle of your alpha. Then from this mirror it is reflected back beta. From this mirror it is been reflected back like this. Some angle, making some angle particulation. I'll redraw it once again, so it will be little bit. See, this ray of light is being incident on this one like this. So this one is also your alpha. Then from the mirror M2, the ray of light is being reflected beta, somewhat like this if I'm taking right now. If I draw a normal for this one, this should be a normal which should be perpendicular to this one. यहाँ पर मुझे draw करने नहीं आ रहा, तो a little bit incline कर रहा हूँ, but make sure that it should be perpendicular to the surface. So this ray of light will be perpendicular. तो यहाँ से ये it will be reflected back like this. Okay, this angle is say for example some theta, and this angle here it is making an angle say for example beta, and this angle is also making an angle beta. Now what is the net deviation? What is net deviation? Dou net is equals to your how much? See, I'll explain you the question right now once again. See here, what is happening is the first ray of a light is being incident on the mirror M1 such that it is parallel to the M2. After reflecting the plate of a line, the reflected ray is right now going in such a way that it is making an angle of your incidence beta with the second ray. Now I need to calculate the net deviation. Can anyone tell me how many deviations you can see beta? What do you need to do? You need to extend this first angle of incidence and you need to make an angle with reflected ray. So this will represent me the deviation dou 1. In the same way, if I'm taking this ray for the mirror M2, this white light is incident ray of light. So you extend this ray of light like this. Angle is incident with the reflected ray is known as of your dou 2. Both of them are in which direction, beta? मान के चलो,
One
I'll
is
give you diagram.
clockwise and one is anti-clockwise.
Okay, yeah, one is clockwise, another is an anti-clockwise direction. वो तो अभी model कर लिया ना हम लोग, so I'll make a little bit of another condition. Make sure that with whatever angle it is been incident, here it is been normal right now for this one, and it is going parallel to the reflected ray is going parallel to mirror M1 like this. Now tell me, this one is angle beta, and this one is also an angle beta. Okay. Now, how do you write the deviation for this one, beta? इसको हम लोग ने extend कर लिया था ऐसा. So this is angle making right now here. This one is your dou 1. This is your incident ray of light, beta. What do you do for the incident ray of light? So your incident ray of light is right now for me this one. So this incident ray of light, if you extend like this is your deviation right now. This one is your dou 2. Okay. Now both of them are in which direction? Dou net will be equal to clockwise. So it will be your dou 1 plus of your dou 2. This angle is say for example theta. Isn't it? Now tell me the angle very carefully. This total angle, see here. This angle is how much, beta? 90 degrees. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
This is alpha. So this angle will become how much? Can anyone tell me? This angle will become how much for me? This angle will become for me 90 minus alpha. Agreed?
90 minus alpha.
If this is now, so this angle is how much, beta? Yeah, 90 degrees. So this angle will be equal to how much? This is beta. This will become for me 90 minus beta. Agreed?
Yes, sir.
Now, dou net will be equal to, so dou 1 value I got. So dou 1 will be equal to how much, beta? 180 minus 2 times of angle of incidence. That is nothing but of your alpha. Plus this one is your 180 minus, this is 2 times of your beta. Isn't it? So this will become for me how much? 180 plus 180. This will become for me 360 minus of 2 times of your alpha plus of your beta. So this will be your dou net. So dou net is equal to how much, beta? 360 minus of your 2 times of alpha plus beta. Now see from the figure, how do I can write alpha plus of your beta? Little bit of a careful now. But in this total triangle, we are having alpha and beta. Now this total triangle this total angle must be equal to how much, beta? 180 degrees.
180.
So can I write like this? Theta plus 90 minus of your alpha plus 90 minus of your beta must be equal to 180 degrees. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So this 90 will get cancelled. So theta will come out how much for me, beta? This theta will become how much for me? This 90 and this 180 will get cancelled. Isn't it? So theta will be equal to how much, beta? Alpha plus of your beta.
Beta.
Theta is equals to alpha plus of your beta. That means tau net will become right now how much? Dou net will be equal to 360 means 2 pi radians minus of your 2 theta. Can I write like this? So dou net is equals to your 2 pi minus of your 2 theta part affiliation. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
How much time is,
Yes, sir.
how much time is left out with me?
1 minute.
Time हो गया बेटा 1 minute. So ये आप लोग कर लीजिए. Then we'll start with velocity of light. और लेट नाइट में भी अगर आपके पास कभी ऑप्शन है तो 40 मिनट्स का टाइम आप लोग बोल दो तो दैट विल बी हेल्पफुल फॉर यू. ओके
Okay, sir.
चलो. ओके चलो बेटा, टेक केयर, बाय.